Baka di kasi Kevin! Sabi mo ka na!
Hindi ko pa nakikita ko. Kakarating.
Baka nasa AFC.
Ay, malilate daw si ano, Bubik.
Ayun na yung bago. Ba't mo pa rin malilate?
Ay, may attendance niya.
Kasi kahulog pagka nag-attend. Baka late na.
Hindi ata kayo yan.
Ito yan. Pakita mo din. Pakita natin ito dun.
Kain tayo ng loob.
Bye na ang space. Ano yung face?
May ka na daw kumain ko.
Paano naman mag-turn
Tama po, tama.
Yun. Grabe ka, sir. Sir, kasama namin kayo sa ano? Bakit, sir, hindi pwede yun?
Hindi naman minuhuli sila sa reform.
Doon, sir, sa gym. Sir, pag umuwi kayo, uwi na rin ako.
Mangingiba po sa doon ako kulay blue.
na kayo magkakasama, may time stop dapat yun.
Nag-chat siya rin.
Sir, paano pag bawal mo mag-cellphone?
Sir, kinukuha sa cellphone.
Sir, kinukuha ko cellphone, sir.
Walang best day pa po.
Namin yung tulog.
Totoo po, sir.
Tama na.
Kinuha na lang yung cellphone.
After we finish the application, we actually, as what I said, no? Course, medyo mahaba, pero kailangan siyang ikayin.
LS.
So after we finish amplitude shifting and frequency shifting, we'll now go to phase shifting. The first step is the binary phase shifting. This is the simplest among the phase shifting. Kumbaga parang mas na-concentrate and discussions sa phase shifting kasi yan naman yung normal na
BPS.
So for the binary phase shifting, this is pinapapatan natin 8 PSK and 16 PSK. But the first step is the binary. So pag sinabi natin binary, value tayo na
0 and 1.
Beats. O binary. Meron din naman ano, diba? May binary frequency SK. So, we're dealing with the digital na. Diba? So, lahat talaga yung seryoso. Kahit din sa amplitude shifting, seryoso. But this time, siguro makikita nyo, nagbabago sa kanya yung phase. For the amplitude, of course the amplitude. Frequency, mamaya may video ako na differences ng okay, for the when we say phase shifting, this is another as per the this is another form of angle modulation. Constant amplitude digital modulation. When we say constant amplitude, the magnitude of the voltage is always as well as the frequency. But for the phase shift, so shift from say 0 to 180, then from 0 to going down. As we go along, makikita niyo yung difference. Kailan nagbabago ng high and low. So, phase shifting, this is defined as the MRA digital modulation scheme similar to conventional phase modulation. In your form 1, no? Diniscuss nyo naman yung happy hour computation. So, this is similarly to phase shift modulation, except that with PSK, the input is binary digital signal and there are limited number of output phases. When we say we have limited number, The number of bits can also get only range from 1 to 12. And the number of output phases is defined by M. Ang value ng M natin sa ating equation. So in binary phase shift keying, this is the simplest, as what I said kanina, this is the simplest form of phase shift keying. The phase of the output carrier shifts between two angles that are separated by 180 degrees. So, bakit dito sa binary, this is separated dito by 180 because one complete revolution is 360, right? So,
Yes,
kung mag-shift siya, since linipay lang siya sa 2, kaya naging binary. Pero yung makikita natin pag lumipat tayo sa ibang phase shifting like quaternary and 8-phase, 8PSK plus 6PSK. May mga different stops na siya. Hindi na siya yung ang shifting niya is not so, as stated, kaya naging value na parang dinibay lang siya sa dalawa. At so, one phase represents the logic 1 and the other phase represents logic 0. So, kung ang wave mo is coming from the positive phase, nahulay niya that becomes logic 1. Hindi ko ba yung drawing na meron figure. So, this is also known as phase reversal keying and biphase modulation. In yung other term, phase reversal kasi nga, pag nagkaroon na ng pagbabago, no? From logic 1 to logic 0, pag nagbago ng phase from positive to negative, saka na magkakaroon na change ng binary output. So, sinasabi nyo yung BPSK is also a form of square wave modulation of continuous wave signal. Okay, so this is the BPSK transmitter, no? Black diagram. Okay, as the input, we have binary data input. No? It's either UP is unipolar or bipolar. O dalawang phase, no? So when it goes to the balance modulator, this is the time that the phase is being changed, or siya nagre-reverse ng phasing. Together with the buffer and the carrier oscillator, this is being mixed on this part, no? The balance modulator. Kumbaga dun sa ating frequency, natatandaan nyo ba dun sa ating transmitter, FSK, meron siyang mixer, diba? Para magkaroon ng coherence. So dito naman, meron siyang pinaka-balance modulator wherein all the signals are being added up before it goes to the bandpass filter. Sabi dito, depending on the logic condition of the digital input, the carrier is transferred to the output, either in phase or 180 out of phase. Since this is binary, dalawang ang kinukonsider sa kanya is dalawang mga 180 plus 180. Either positive or negative wave. So after that, we have the modulated PSK output. So for the modulated PSK output, this is the wave, no? That is being transmitted to the medium. So normally, ano yung nagpo-compose sa balance modulator? Sabi nga natin siya yung nagre-reverse ng phase, no? Or sinishift niya from positive to negative or negative to negative. Pag walang shifting, pagka negative, plus hanggang magkaroon siya ng change, saka doon siya magbabago ng beat. Makikita natin. So, yung part na to, this is the balance modulator. This is further explained on this figure. So, the binary data input, okay, as a sine wave, no? Given by the sine negative. It goes to a transformer 1 which has the diodes, no? What they call this diode? Pero ano yung tawag sa LX1. Iba na ang pero this is somewhat similar to style, di ba? Kasi merong naka-off, merong naka-on. So sabi dito, for to have the output of positive binary positive voltage, D3 and D4 are off. So this is in the reverse bias. So yung D1 at D2, makikita natin is naka-forward bias. Sabi ito, if the binary input is logic 1 or the positive voltage dito sa D2 condition, no? D1 and D2 are in forward bias and D3 and D4 are in reverse bias. So consequently, kapag naman binaliktad natin, ang nag-off naman is yung D1 at saka D2, ang magkakaroon naman is yung D3 at D4 magka-turn. In this case, the sine omega t, which is our phase input, no? Magkakaroon siya ng phase reversal. So, after the modulator, balance modulator, our signal will be in the negative. Ano ang pagagawa doon? Ano yung i-discuss natin?
Hindi ko alam. Dito po sa dalawa.
Kung sa inanda po yung sa kamis,
Ano na?
hindi ni-discuss mo sa iyan. Sorry po sir.
Ano? Same lang na.
Diba?
So, may PN dyan ko siya, parang may sing lang din.
Ano ba ang i-discuss mo?
Ayaw nga.
Nag-discuss po kasi nung
Hindi pala na-upload yun.
Ano sa sing pa?
So sabi dito, no? The result is developed across the T2, which is the negative or out of phase, no? 180 degrees out of phase. In reference to the oscillator. So for this one, ito, pinakita lang yung output. No? This is the actual scenario. No? Pero dinivide siya into 3. We have the truth table, phasor diagram, oscillation diagram for this one, for the BPSK beam oscillator.
Kung ano yung truth table mo?
So sabi natin, kapag binary input natin is logic 0, the output phase is 180 degrees. Ibig sabihin, naka-flat siya. Yan. I-advance ko na. So pag 0, ibig sabihin nasa 180 degrees. Ang kagaya yung hello. Dito. Alam mo ka.
Sorry po, na-traffic.
Kumain ka.
Medyo no? Medyo.
Okay kasi yun.
Wala eh.
Hindi kasi ikaw sa sign na.
Wala pa lang gusto ko isa.
Hindi kong gawin.
Ano lang gusto ko eh.
Wala, hindi ko na-upload sa remote.
For the phasor diagram, this is represented at logic 0. We have negative sign of negative based on 180. Tapos pag logic 1 naman is 0. So you have phase reversal, and it is shown in the constellation diagram. We'll be encountering more constellation diagram as we go into the quaternary and 8-phase and 16 phase. So dito, ang pinapakita na sa constellation diagram are the only relative positions of the peaks of the phasor are shown. So we have the 180, 0, and 90.
Ano lagi?
BPSK out. So yun yan, so yun may nasa baba.
Survey ko ba?
Survey na ako. 9, 2, 5.
So, sabi dito, a balance modulator is a product modulator. Sabi ko nga kanina, yung tayo, lahat ng signal, ito, lahat ng to is,
9, 2, 5 pa.
kino-combine, no? In this one. Okay, kino-multiply. So, when we say product modulator, the output signal is the product of two input signal. Mathematically, the BPSK output is given by this formula. So any number, right, that multiplied by the negative, it's negative to be a negative value, right? So 1 multiplied by negative 1 will be negative. So there will be a value, but it is in the reversal polarization.
Hindi pa tayo.
So the fundamental frequency FA, FA of an alternative 1 and 0 bit sequence is equal to 1/2 of the bit rate. So, saan galing ng formula na to? Inaral ko galing to sa 1/2 cosine 2 pi FC minus FA T minus 1/2 cosine 2 pi FC plus FA T. So, galing siya dito sa phasor tayo na. Consequently, ang magiging working formula mo na lang for the Nyquist bandwidth is bandwidth is equal to 2 FB over 2. So, you will cancel this 2 and 2, so you will have the value of FB or the bit sequence. So in this figure, so this is figure 15. No? So it shows that you will change your bit, no? If your sine omega t is in positive waves, no? Okay, so when you go from 0 to 180, then go back to your 360, you have positive binary output. Then if you go from negative phasor naman, negative sine omega t, you'll have your 0. No? So in this case, unlike dun sa ating frequency at saka amplitude, so it doesn't matter na dito kung yung gaano yung kabilis, yung frequency, at gaano pa taas yung magnitude ng voltage, no? Represented by our sine omega t. So ang pinag-uusapan lang dito is yung reversal, no? After the unknown bit cycle. Okay? So in this case, magkakaroon ka ng 0 if you have sine omega t, you have binary 0. Again, from this side, you have the phase reversal of 1. No? So kaya ka nagkaroon ulit ng trigger ulit siya to have another bit. But if this one is continuous, say for example, this one goes again to the negative, no? Negative side of negative. Since hindi ka nagkaroon ng change, so still you will have 0. So dito pinakita lang na yung sequence niya is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0.
Parang yung isa alien niya. Yung nawawala yung sa
Grade 4.
Sir, nagkamali po ata ako ng connect, sir. Umpisa po sa cellphone. Sa cellphone niyo po sa YouTube. Sorry. Sir, nakalagay po kasi unknown device, sir.
Oo nga, nakalagay ka sa
Sir, parusa po yung points ko rin.
Sir, sa inyo pala po yun.
Nakakonect ka ba?
Nakapindot, sir, pero na-disconnect ko na po. Ba, sir, ano po?
Hindi nagko-connect?
Opo, sir. May lumabas po na number, tas i-connect niya daw po dyan.
Oo nga,
Ginagawa mo.
Sir, tuloy na po. Calculator na tayo.
Okay, so ganun lang yun. Pagkakaroon ka ng negative value,
Nasa lang.
not negative value. Binary zero input. If you go for negative out of phase or out of 180 out of phase wave, no? Represented by your negative sign negative.
Run.
Or guess a modulator with a carrier frequency of 70 MHz and an input bit rate of 10 megabits per second. Determines the maximum and minimum upper and lower side frequency. Load the output spectrum, determine the minimum Nyquist bandwidth and calculate the board. So yun yung mga giga na.
GPS game. Oh, okay.
Solve.
Nakagataon dito.
Okay, sige.
Nawala.
So this is our fundamental and this is our bit rate. No? This is our sine omega t. We already knew that this is the product. No? Output is the product of the two waves. No? So sine 2 pi, we have the fundamental of 5 megahertz. Anong condition ka rin na?
So, Maxi. Yun yung nasa...
Saan galing yung 5 megahertz?
Unicorn no? Or unicorn?
Oo.
Ano yung tawag?
Tanong muna, saan galing yung 1/2 cosine theta? Anong law ito sa triangle? I-represent na 1/2 cosine 2 pi. This sine 2 pi is becomes 1/2 cosine 2 pi. So, identity yan. Yun yan na dala. So, yung 5 megahertz natin, saan galing yung 5 megahertz?
Yung bond po.
10 divided by 2 po, sir. Yung Mbps po is divide lang by 2.
Ba't di naman?
5 megahertz.
Sir, yun yung nasa formula po ata kami.
Yun na yun.
2FB
2FB over 2.
over 2.
Yung boys.
Over B equals 5 megahertz.
12 yung over 2 equals to FB. Tama. Ano? The bond is 10. Yun know?
2FB over
10 megabond.
Hindi ka po.
Oo, tama naman.
Kung FB over 2, hindi mo na siya din.
Ah, hindi pala.
Oo nga. 2.
Cancel pa lang yung 2 eh. Pa-cancel mo yun.
FB pa din. Oo.
You're considering first this bit rate, no? FT over 2.
Ah, yun. Bit.
Hindi yung bandwidth yung bit
Ah,
rate.
bit rate. Eh di, ano,
Ay, over there.
Megabond.
ah, half daw eh.
May megahertz.
Oo, meron.
Yung 70 megahertz
Kilovolt.
minus 5 megahertz. This is the lower frequency. Considering this part, which is minus natin yung ating frequency, no? So you have 70 minus 5, you have 65. So this will be the bandwidth, no?
Lower.
LS.
from
LS na.
our central frequency will be 70 megahertz. So if you have the bandwidth of 5, you will have 67.5 megahertz.
2.5.
70.5 megahertz. Pag sinabi natin suppress na yung carrier dito. But our Nyquist bandwidth will be, itong 5 megahertz is the minimum, no? But our bandwidth, Nyquist bandwidth is equal to 75 megahertz minus 65. Upper frequency minus the lower frequency. Maximum upper side frequency, which is 75 megahertz minus the minimum lower side frequency, which is 65, so you will have 10 megahertz. And your baud is equal to your
Bitrate.
which is 10 megabaud. Kasi the equation nito sa kung ano yung value ng ating Nyquist bandwidth, so parehas lang siya. So for the EPSK receiver naman, so kung kanina mayroon tayong transmitter, so our binary data input is being multiplied at the balance modulator, no? Kaya tayo nagkapunta ng product output. Then it goes to the bandpass filter. On this time naman, we have the receiver side, no? Mabaligtara naman siya. So the input signal may be sine omega t or negative sine omega t based on the input received at the receiver side. So input na to, kanina output siya in a way na bago siya dumating sa o bago ma-transmit, kaya siya naging output. Dito naman, kung para ma-revert back siya o makuha yung desired output, binabalik na naman. So meron kang bandpass filter, which is filtering out either the positive or the negative phase, no? The balance modulator now will be again the multiplier, no? Having the coherent carrier recovery circuit, ano daw yung function ng coherent carrier circuit? This detects and generates a carrier signal that is source frequency and phase carrier with the original transmitted carrier. So, on this part, ina-cancel out niya whichever yung ma-detect niya na necessary, no? Then it will go to the low pass filter. Ang trabaho naman ng low pass filter is the one which separates the recovered binary data from the complex unit signal. Okay, so yung balance modulator will act now as a although sinabi siyang modulator, dinimodulate na. Kung mga nare-revert back na yung reverse process siya, unlike dun sa transmitter siya. So those signal being separated by the low pass filter, again, merong clock recovery circuit, and then it pass through the level converter, and at the other end, it goes back to your unipolar binary data output. When you say unipolar, you will have either 1 or 0. So, paano nagkakaroon ng filtering out o yung balance modulator? No? for the BPSK input signal of positive sign and negative. So this is now on the logic 1, positive sign and negative. When we have negative sign or negative, we have logic 0. No? Take note that this negative sign, no? On your product, no? 1 minus, this is also the trigonometric identity. No? So if we transpose this sign of negative into phasor, we will have 1 minus cosine t. So in this case, if you're going to filter out this one, you'll be having 1/2 value. No? This is the output. 1/2 positive, 1/2 volts. So when this one is being filtered out, you'll have the positive value, so you'll have value 1. So naging binary na siya. Our phase will become in the binary output as logic 1. Conversely, binaligtad naman natin, no? If our input signal is negative sign, negative, the output of the balance modulator will be logic 0. Paano nangyari? Kasi we have negative times positive. Dito kasi positive and positive. So we'll have sine squared of negative. Again, this is, ito lang nag-start ko masyado. But sure ako na ito ay nasa trigonometric identity. I-review ko din. I will show you next time. Pero, yan ay tinake up ko ng trigonometry natin. So, if you have negative sine squared negative, we'll have negative 1/2. So it's the same, no? But we'll have negative value. Again, if you multiply this one, we'll have negative 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine negative. This one is being filtered out at the low pass filter. In that case, you'll have the output of negative 1/2 volts. So in that case, it is being represented by binary by bit, no? 0. Logic 0. Sabi dito, the output of the balance modulator contains a negative voltage. This is the negative 1/2 volts. And a cosine wave at twice the carrier frequency. So as I said, the low pass filter blocks the second harmonic of the carrier and passes only the negative constant component. Consequently, magkakaroon ka ng logic 0. So itong filter, naki-filter yung second harmonic, no? This is the second harmonic, negative 1/2. Dito, in this case naman, yung the positive 1/2 cosine negative. So yun yung trabaho ng low pass filter, no? To filter this out. Nakasunod? Okay, that ends the binary phase shift. So as I said, no, madali lang siyang i-recall kasi ano pa lang siya, 180. Hindi pa siya complicated. As we go along, mas complicated sa QPSK, 8PSK, at saka 16 mo. Assignment nito nga, makalimutin ito. Ay, yung nasisource ko doon. Okay, for Yung sinasabi ko kaninang video, may supplemental na explanation tayo at mag-differentiate natin yung AM, FM, phase shifting.
Hello, and this is Sunny. Welcome back. Last time we talked about two analog modulation methods, AM and FM. Today we will talk about three types of digital modulation methods: amplitude shifting, frequency shifting, and phase shifting. Before we get into these three digital modulation methods, let's quickly review waves, amplitude, frequency, and phase. A wave has a highest point called crest and a lowest point called trough. The vertical distance between crest and the wave's central axis is amplitude. Amplitude is about the strength of a wave, or the power of wave's vibration and oscillation. In other words, the greater the amplitude of the wave, the more energy it carries. Then what's the frequency? If we draw an imaginary vertical line in space, the frequency of a wave is how often a wave cycle passes the line within a certain time, for example, in 1 second. We can also define frequency as the number of times a wave cycle repeats within a certain time. Phase specifies the location of a point within a wave cycle. The locations on a wave cycle can be specified as an angle in either radians or degrees, as well as fractions of the cycle. This can be visualized with a rotating wheel and a spoke tracing the wave as time goes. Now let's see how each digital modulation method works. Suppose we have these digital signals in zeros and ones. Here is the carrier wave we will use to send these digital signals. First, let's see how ASK works. ASK is the modulation method where the digital signals change the amplitude of the carrier wave. If the digital signal value is 1, then the carrier wave amplitude remains the same. When the digital signal value is 0, the amplitude of carrier wave is much weaker. Frequency shifting is the digital modulation technique in which the frequency of the carrier wave changes with the digital signals. We can say when digital binary value is 1, the frequency of a carrier wave is higher. When binary value is 0, the frequency of a carrier wave would become lower. Here is another example. On the left side are digital signals. On the right side is a carrier wave. The modulated wave demonstrates how digital signals modulate or change the carrier wave. PSK is a digital modulation process which transmits data by changing the phase of a constant frequency of the carrier wave. We can see from the animation the frequency and amplitude of the carrier wave remain the same. Only change is phase. Specifically, phase changes at the point where the binary value 1 changes to binary value 0 or where
Okay, so makikita niyo yung phase na magbabago lang siya to 0 kapag dalawang na shift phase. Kasi kanina, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, Ito yung ibang demonstration na 1,0,0,1.
Saan yan?
So if your phase starts from 0 to goes to 90 of the capacitive phase or kakaroon ka ng 1. Kung mabago lang siya kapag shift na siya to 0.
Kapag nag-1 90 degrees.
Oo.
Zero change to 1. I will play this animation again. Please pay attention to the turning points where the arrow flashes. Let's zoom in to look closer when input beat changes from 1 to 0, for example. When the beat value is 1, the wave travels like this. But at the moment when the binary value changes to 0, the wave changes its direction. It stops going up and it starts going down. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much and see you next time. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.
Kaya pala sir matakaw sa gasolina sa sasakyan nyo. Kaya matakaw sa gasolina sa sasakyan nyo. Nakaano pala kayo eh. Saka sa pari. Saka sa pari. Takaw talaga yan sa gas.
Di ba hipo yung
Hindi rin. Isa ba yan? Isa rin yan.
Di mo po ito.
Okay, Sir Ray. Sir, ang tatanungin nyo, yung kay Sir Lian Laraino. Yung kay Sir Lian Laraino.
Yung wallpaper ng Sarlian, right?
Imbis na horsepower, pride ng power.
Patay ka doon. Uy, grabe yun.
Anong subject ito?
Alex,
Tapos Sir Review.
Pa?
Saan kaya ng start? Amplifier.
Tyristor po.
Sa restore po.
Tyristor agad ka rin.
Tyristor.
TNPN, yes.
NPN.
Ay,
Kaya hindi niya ako sa tayo list ng batay.
sir, yung natin na game na eh.
Dom na yun.
Silas.
Pero dadaan, sir, di ba naman dito? Power amplifier.
Sige po, sir. Ano
Hindi
sabi ko kasi hindi ka lang.
Okay, hindi na ako.
Ano kasi before na ano sir, design.
Hindi, point two.
Ang stag one nila din.
Yung life size na ano.
Di ba niligan boy? Kung bumili na kung lupa yung nanin din ng lahat sa Ligin, nagtayo lang sa mundo.
Ito yung nasusunod.
Yung magkalapit sa bibigay, bumili ng bahay.
Yung binili ni Robin kasi na yung jersey ni Aaron.
Ginawang business nila din.
Pero sir, Tyristor agad ka rin.
Di ba may nakita pa yung sinend ka sa DC yung secret statue? Kasi mo, boy, isang business lang gawin
Ito yung voice na. Ang voice na.
Ay, oo, yung logo.
TNPN kasi.
Sa Disney Plus. Wala ko yung pakawat pa yun.
Sir, hindi ko lang.
Sabi niya siya din sa manit ng gawin kami tayo. Sabi niya yun. Sa ganang rin. Di ka lang daw.
Kaya pasinda ng Manila siya.
Bakit sir?
Hindi kinuha ko kasi doon.
Mas mura ba din?
Paano?
Oo.
Wait, tapos na klase. Wala pala.
Di ba yun?